guys, today an unboxing and review of this Parkside power washer from little, yes, that's how you pronounce it, from a little store. And let's see the description in English. Portable pressure washer, eliminates dirt, soil, sand from wheels, rims, shoes and gardening equipment. Well, I bought it for a different purpose. We had these glass panels at the entry to our house, but for safety reasons they had to install some chain mesh in front of it. But since there's no access to those panels, they have dirt growing on them for the past couple of years. There's already a huge layer of dust and other grime, so I decided it's time to wash that. So it'd be quite difficult to do it otherwise than with a pressure washer. So a portable one will be perfect for the job, which you will see after the break. I'm doing the unboxing of the car right now because it's unclear how this is charged. As you can see in the picture here, you connect it to the LiDAR adapter in your car, and the charging time is 60 minutes. So if it doesn't include a wall charger, I'll just plug it into the LiDAR adapter and it'll charge along the way. Working pressure 5 bar, max delivery volume 2 liters per minute, water tank 5 liters. So it'll be about 2.5 minutes working time. We'll need to do a couple refills to clean all those panels, but this will do. So see you again after the break. Of course, we'll need to open this up first, and if necessary, connect it to the charger. Huge manual, but who needs that? Pretty nice and compact. Spray nozzle. Where do you connect the power supply? Okay, so we got the LiDAR adapter, and we do have a power supply charger. Okay, so we'll hook it up at home, charge it up. You can see it works, and works quite well. So now I think I'll do the rest of the panels.